All right, buds, look what came in the mail. I didn't know when this was coming. It just popped up today, so we're about to do an unboxing of it right now. Let's get to this video. What's up, bud? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. And on this channel, we do a whole bunch of tech and audio reviews. If you're into any of that, hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell notification right next to it so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And to my subscribers right now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And as always, bud, with all these products, the link will be down in the description below so you guys can click that, see the current price, and see other people's reviews. Right here, we have the Echo Dot 4th generation. It comes in two different versions. There's this version which has no clock on the front, and then there's the version with the LED clock on the front, which is a $10 difference. So this version right now is going for about 50 bucks. And the version with the clock is 60 bucks. The version with no clock on it comes in black, white, and the blue. And the version with the clock that is $10 more, it just comes in white and blue. There is no black version for that one. All right, so let's open this up. Let's get a first little look at this. I didn't know when it was coming because it said it was delayed. And honestly, I bought it last month and I totally forgot about it. So let's see here. Let's see if you guys see it right there. Pull it out. It's a little spear, a little ball. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. So let's a little look at it right here. Let's tear this stuff off of it. And there we go. First look at it. There's a little spin for you guys. Little spin for you, bud. Check it out. Little ports in the back. There you go. One thing I noticed right when I grabbed it out of the box is the weight. It does have a nice little weight to it. Big difference compared to the first generation, which I had. This little thing weighs like nothing, and compared to this one, that's the size difference between the generations from 1 to 4. Where we were, where we're at. See what else is in the box. You have your little instruction and your, safety papers, as always, and just a nice little white adapter for it, and that's all that's in there. There's nothing else. So you do have the adapter, which will go on one of the ports in the back, and the other port is a line-in port, so you can connect something, if you want to listen to music or something on there. That's what the other port will be for. I had to go get an extension cord because we had nowhere to plug it to reach to here, so let's do it. Oh! There it goes, lined up. Probably gonna have to connect it to the Alexa app to get it started, but yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Nice little light up right there.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Okay.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Your Echo is ready.
All right, we finally connected it to the phone. So what you want to do when you connect it, you'll hold this action button in the back. You'll hold that down, and then this will turn orange. The little light bar down here will turn orange. Let's see if I can do it right now. Come on.
Now in setup mode.
And then you'll connect
Follow the
it
instructions
to your,
in your Alexa app.
And that's when you will connect it to your phone, and the setup is pretty quick once it connects to your phone. All right, bud, so after you set everything up, of course, you can just do regular Echo Dot things, like whatever you want to do. You ask her, Alexa, what's the weather in Anaheim?
In Anaheim, California, there's a high wind warning in effect until Tuesday, October 27th.
Alexa,
2 p.m.
Stop. So you also have the button right here. So when you talk to her, that you see it'll exit out, so she won't talk unless you're talking to her. Alexa, Alexa, hey, Alexa. So that is rated out. She will not pick up anything that you say unless it's off, and it's Alexa. Alexa, you mad?
I'm happy when I'm helping you.
All right, so we're just gonna do a little sound test to see how loud this speaker gets as well. So I'm gonna put a song on and we'll just turn it to the max volume. Alexa, volume 2. And just like that, you could just tell her to lower the volume down. Alexa, volume 5. So that's how you adjust it. Alexa, what song is this?
This is Young One by Xaje.
Alexa, stop. Just in case you guys ask me, she just told you the name of the song. So basically it's everything that you expect from one of these home assistant things. It does have a really nice look. I like that it's not just all flimsy, and it does have some weight to it, especially in the lower base down here. And I like the sphere look of it. I like that roundness. It looks way better than this, even though this you could just hide and place away better behind stuff and all that. But I do like this look. Now that I have this, I kind of wish I just had the one with the clock, the LED one, just pay the extra $10. But I got cheap and I didn't get it. But now I'm looking at it, I'm like, man, I wish I had the clock in front of this and it would have been better. So I'm telling you guys now, get the one with the clock because you're going to be just like me. So yeah, if you're going to have yours out and about, I would say definitely spend the extra $10 to get the LED one, to get the clock on the front. The only downfall with the LED one, it doesn't come in the black color, but still, if you're going to have it just placed anywhere, sitting down anywhere, might as well have one that has the clock so you can take a glance at the time. Another feature that this has, it has a low power mode. So when you're not talking to it at all, it will automatically go into a low power mode when it's idle. So it won't be sucking up all that energy when it's not being used. You can also call on this thing. So let's try it out. Alexa, call Bianca.
Did you mean Sister Bianca?
Yes.
Calling Sister Bianca's iPhone.
Hello?
Hello, bud.
Hi.
You're on my YouTube channel, and we're doing a phone call to you. Say what's up to the...
hello, YouTube channel.
How do I
What's up,
sound?
bud?
What's up, buds? How do I sound on that end?
You sound clear. Are you close to, what are you close to?
I'm holding the Echo Dot up right now, like kind of to my face.
Yeah, you kind of sound like you sound like as if you're on speakerphone, like if you were on speakerphone on your phone.
Oh, okay.
But like it's clear, but it just sounds like as if you have a speakerphone on and you're kind of doing something in a way.
Alrighty. Well, thank you for that.
Alrighty.
You have a good one.
Okay, I'll see you when I see you.
See you when I see you. All right, B. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you too. Bye.
And there you go. That's phone calls on the Echo Dot. All right, buds. So there you have it. That's my little unboxing of the 4th gen Echo Dot. I hope you guys like this. Of course, it does, connect to your smart home and all that stuff. Like, hey, turn off the lights, turn off the TV, and all that. So if you guys are looking to get in the game with a new Echo Dot and get the smart home assistants and stuff, definitely check this one out. Like I said, it is $50. I put the link down in the description below. It's $50 for the ones with no LED on the front, so there's no time on there, and it's $60 for the one with the LED. And like I said earlier in the video, if you're gonna have it out and about, I just say pay the extra $10 and just have the LED on there so you can have the time on there, because it looks kind of bare without that there. I think so. All right, buds. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell notification right next to it so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And once again, to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. I see you in the next video. It's probably gonna be some earbuds. I reached out to a company and they're gonna send some Jaybirds over here. So I'm pretty excited for that. And hopefully we'll do that one next, or it'll be the Sony official review of those headphones I unboxed. I'll see you guys then. Be safe out there. Peace.